people who grow up on small family farms are less than half as likely to have allergies as people who grow up in urban areas. Although growing up on a farm may dramatically lower your risk of allergies, don't sell the condo and move to the country just yet. Researchers are only beginning to understand the link between farm life and allergy risk. Is it the microbes? Is it the mold in hay, animal dander, or raw milk? Said Mark Holbrook, MD, an allergy specialist in Indianapolis. That is what we are trying to tease out, what the Amish may teach us about allergies. Holbrook's 2012 study found that less than 1 in 10 Amish children living on small family farms in northern Indiana had allergies or allergic sensitivities, development of antibodies to a substance that can trigger an allergic reaction. That compares with more than 5 in 10 Americans overall who have allergies or allergy sensitivity. Allergy rates were also less than 25% among another group of Swiss children who grew up on small farms in Switzerland. Holbrook said although the Amish are a closely knit community, genetics do not seem to explain the lower allergy rates among those living on small family farms. He is currently studying farm life and allergy risk in a different religious sect, the Hutterites in South Dakota, which originated from the same area of Bavaria as the Amish. The Hutterites also live a similar agrarian lifestyle, but Holbrook said they don't seem to have the same protection from allergies as the Amish. One key factor may be that Hutterite mothers and young children do not participate as much in farm work as the Amish. Holbrook said this may help explain why the Hutterites appear to have similar rates of allergies as the general population. Holbrook said the age of exposure to farm life also appears to be critical to the reduction in allergy risk. The best allergy protection seems to happen when the mother is involved in farm work during pregnancy, and the child is exposed to animals in the barn and drinks raw milk from an early age. But Holbrook warned against moving to a farm or starting to drink raw milk in the hopes of preventing allergies. There is a big movement to have access to raw milk, but when you have not grown up with it, there is a risk of infection, said Holbrook. Pesticides could increase food allergy risk. There may be other negative aspects of farm life that contribute to allergy risk. A 2012 study published in the Annals of Allergy, Asthma. The critical link between westernization and allergies. Holbrook said there's no one thing that explains the link between farm life and allergies. Instead, it seems to be a complex combination of factors and exposures that start in the womb. It's these exposures in the barn to large animals, the mother's exposure during pregnancy, and the drinking of raw milk that all seem to be key commonalities among different studies in the US and Europe, said Holbrook. Overall, the idea that people who grow up doing dirty farm work and are exposed to large animals develop fewer allergies supports the hygiene hypothesis. This theory holds that as societies become cleaner with higher levels of sanitation and less exposure to dirt and animals, the rate of allergies rises. As we become cleaner and healthier, we then develop these allergies, said Holbrook. This is the model of the hygiene hypothesis. A 2013 Spanish study published in the International Journal of Public Health showed that children exposed to cleaning sprays and solvents during pregnancy were more likely to have wheezing and lower respiratory tract infections, and early allergy and asthma risk factor, as infants. Holbrook said the main message in the discussion of farm life and allergies is there something that westernization has done to the immune system that has made us more susceptible to allergies and other disease? He hopes that by studying the link between farm life and allergies, researchers will ultimately be able to offer something to people that could help prevent both food allergies and seasonal allergies. There is nothing we can offer families today that can do that, said Holbrook.